This is viscera of the heart. This is apex. This is base. This is sternocostal surface. This is diaphragmatic surface. This is right border. This is inferior border. This is left border. This is right auricle, right atrium, superior vena cava. This is right ventricle, pulmonary trunk. This is left ventricle. Start from here up to this. This is left ventricle. This is anterior interventricular group. This is posterior interventricular group. The sternocostal surface is formed by the mainly right ventricle, left ventricle, left auricle, this one, and right atrium and auricle. Diaphragmatic surface is formed by mainly left ventricle and right ventricle. This is base. Base is formed by the right atrium, and this is left atrium. This is opening of the two pulmonary vein. This is another two opening of the pulmonary vein. This is ascending aorta. Branch of the ascending aorta is the right coronary artery and left coronary artery. Left coronary artery give true branch, anterior interventricular branch, and this is circumflex branch. This is arch of the aorta, brachiocephalic tongue, left common carotid, left subclavian. This is descending thoracic aorta. This is anterior interventricular group, contain anterior interventricular branch of left coronary artery. This is posterior interventricular group. It contains posterior interventricular branch of right coronary artery. Right coronary artery, it arises from the ascending aorta, then it passes in between right atrium and right ventricles, and it's leave the sternocostal surface and it's reach the diaphragmatic surface, and in the posterior interventricular group it's end as a terminal branch of posterior interventricular branch of right coronary artery. So this is coronary sulcus. It starts in between pulmonary trunk and ascending aorta. Then it passes in between right atrium and right ventricle. Then in between left ventricle and left atria, and below the left auricle. This is coronary sulcus, contains right coronary artery, left coronary artery, circumflex branch of the left coronary artery, and it contains a vein, the main vein of the heart, coronary sinus. It's present in the posterior part of the coronary sulcus. So this is all about viscera of the heart.